Hello guys, what's up? In the first video I already showed you how to open the headset using one turn screw or little screwdriver, the very tiny one. And in this video I will show you how to fix it. So here I was using a small scissors, and cut this plate, where inside it was something like that. Inside they put it inside, and the problem happened is here. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to use a scissors, cut it on this note over here. So after cutting this, you put this aside first. Then what you need to remember is, here we've got 5 lines with different colors. So even you don't know which line is connected with which one, I mean they both have this, both connected with this one. Also they're running in a line inside this, then connected in this place. So whatever it takes, you need to remember which one, because when we open it like this, so we already know which line is connected with which one. So what we have to remember, that then we'll replace this one with one more, is just putting this a little bit more, just like you cut it, you remove this one. Remember that inside this have 5 lines, in which play which one to be connected with which one and where. So first of all, we need to take a picture of those lines that we have, and where's the position of those lines. So you got, yeah, let me take a picture first. So after you will cut it out, you'll be able to see that there's 5 different colors lines over here. And as the first step, we already take picture of which one is connected and where. So you don't have to be worried where you should connect these lines on. So this is to show you that what we will be able to do with the little reds over here. So what we need to do is, we're gonna measure from this thing to this thing. For example, here, like you want to estimate how long this line should be. So I guess that is like 15 centimeters. So almost like here. Yeah, because I'm holding camera, so it's hard to measure, but it's like that. You want to measure the normally as long as this one, and you're going to be putting, imagine that you're going to be putting this one to be here. So you're going to be get these 5 colorful lines out of this bigger dark color lines, which is inside of this. So what we're going to do now is to get this cut out a little bit, then we get that 5 lines here coming out. Just a minute. you'll be holding the lines over here, where you would see that from this place to this blade it's around like a 5 centimeters. So what we're gonna do is cut it on here a little bit, but you shouldn't cut all, but you cut like a little, like this. Then when you already see like very little on here, not yet to be done, all right, so it will be, you'll be seeing that it can be like this. So after seeing like that, you'll be pull it out. Pulling this out, or you can be better to use that with a little yep. So that's what we all have right now, 5. All right, so now what we're gonna do is to replace this one by this one. So take a look here. So you want to do like that and everything is okay again. Alright, so let me do it, and then I'm gonna use one tool also to weld link it here, but it is downstairs, so I have to go and use that. That's one of my brother tool for fixing the things in the house. So that's it. I'll be right back with the fixed microphone, headphone, and already run well. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.